Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you once again for visiting this channel. For the old members, welcome back. And those who are visiting for the first time, thank you for stopping by. And I encourage you to subscribe to this channel so you get to see my subsequent videos early enough. Yeah, please just smash that subscribe button right now so you can be part of this channel. So today I'm just going to be talking about, I think I did this video previously, but for some reasons it was brought down by YouTube. So I decided to do this second one then by just following their policies. So I'm going to be talking about how to activate your account on Livegood. If you have signed up, you've not locked your position yet, this video will help you on the next step that you have to take and lock in your position in Livegood. Okay, so what you do, just go over to your email and click on join now. Okay, once you click on join now, it's going to bring you to this page. If you have filled this form before, you have keyed in your password and saved, and you got up to the payment page and you didn't make payment, you might have to just log in. So if you have done that before, even if you click on this link, it might not just, even if you click here, it might not just bring you to this page right away. It will give you login page. So log in with your password and your username. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you make payment. So you just continue. So you fill out this form, choose your country, put your address, and all of the zip code, your phone number, email address, and all of that. So here you select your username, you put in your password, confirm password. Here, are you paying for 1 month the membership fee of $9.95, or you want to pay for 1 year? Remember, paying for 1 year, you have 20% off. So it means your monthly subscription, which is about $10, you only be paying for 10 months as opposed to 12 months. So you get it like $20, discount if you do the 1 year subscription. I think so many people are actually going for this option right now. So that being said, so here you select your payment option. Is it cryptocurrency or you want to pay with your credit card? If you have your credit card, those living in the US, you can use your credit card. If you have credit card in other countries, you can actually do credit card as well. Select that and fill out this form for credit card, your shipping address and all of that. So then you just continue to the payment page. But if you're using cryptocurrency, you just select cryptocurrency. I always like to use cryptocurrency because it's faster, So once you do that, do all of this, then the next thing you will do is to continue. So the next page you will see is what I'll show you next now. So this will be your next page. You just verify this information and be sure they are correct. Then remember to tick this. I understand I am paying that and that. I agree with the policies. Then you click on complete my sign up right there. Then here you're going to be able to make payment. You click this. I think my internet is not so strong. That's why this thing is you're supposed to see crypto pay or something here. So just click on it. Then remember to select your cryptocurrency options. I like using USDT, but if you have other currencies you want to use, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and the rest, you could just also try that. So here I'm going to choose USDT Tron. So the next page will be, they will show me how much to pay right there and the address. This is where you'll be sending the money. So this is how much you're sending. If you're sending from your exchange, Binance, and the likes, remember the $1 transfer fee. You need to factor that in to the payment. So it will just be +1. So that will give you 50.95. That's what you'll be sending. Okay. Then you copy this. If someone is going to help you pay, just copy this and share this with the person, paste on them on WhatsApp or whatever, Telegram. Then also remember the amount, copy the amount and send to the person. So once that is done, you remember to click on send. So once the payment is verified, your account is active at that point. So what you need to just do next is to go over to the login page and login. So I'll be showing you that once your confirmation is, you got a confirmation from your exchange that the payment is successful. So just go over to login, and right there, I'm going to log into my own account now. So log into my account now. So next thing you want to do will be click on your earnings, my earnings. So you have the dollar sign right there. Then here you select your payment option. This is where you'll be receiving your monies from Livegood. So you select the payment option. This is for those in the US, direct deposits. You just fill out this form if you're in the US. IPL is another platform where you can receive your payment if you have an account with them. If you don't, you can just tick here and an email will pop up. You put in your email, but this is the one I use, crypto option. Yeah, so BitPay is the exchange, the payment company that handles payments for cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency payment for Livegood. So what you need to do, click on this, yeah. Then that's the number 3 option. Then put your email here and save. Once it is saved, you're going to receive an email from Livegood, from BitPay. You're going to receive an email from BitPay. So once you receive that email, just follow these steps. I have a video on this actually on how to activate do your verification on BitPay, how to create your account and all of that. So go and watch that video. Go to my channel. The video is right there. So that will help you. Once your account is verified, I have 2 videos. Please ensure you watch the 2 videos. So that's where your monies will be dropping in BTC. Then from there, you can make your withdrawal in BTC. Send it to your upline. If you don't know how to convert your BTC to a local currency, send it to your upline. They'll help you. They'll send you your local currency to your bank account. Or you can transfer it straight up to the Binance. Then Binance will convert it for you. You can do P2P on Binance and get your money converted to your local currency. So guys, if this video is helpful, remember to like this video and share with your team members, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos. All right, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.